Snapchat is a mobile app that allows users to easily share photos and videos with friends and public audiences. What sets Snapchat apart from other social apps is that photos and videos can be set to disappear after being viewed. Here's a quick tour of the app. The icons at the bottom of the screen indicate the different features that you can explore in Snapchat. The Snap Map shows where your friends on Snapchat are currently located, if they have that function turned on. You can also explore different locations on the map and watch snaps that people share publicly in each location. The Chat tab shows all of the snaps that you receive. You can add friends in this tab by tapping on the plus icon. The camera icon will give you access to your camera. Here, you can take a photo or video to send to others. There are various filters that can be used, as well as the option to draw on the image and add text. Filters will vary based on your current location. To set a duration on your snap, tap on the stopwatch icon on the right of the screen and choose the desired duration. The Stories tab allows you to watch your friends' stories. Stories are comprised of a series of snaps. They can be a mix of photos and videos. Under Discover, you can watch public stories curated by Snapchat. Tap on the right side of the screen to move forward through the stories. Finally, the Spotlight tab features short video content that you can scroll through by swiping up or tapping on the screen. These videos are all public and have generally amassed a large number of views. Tap the heart icon to like a video.